Put up my YouTube videos. Dick the Burks back again. We finna explode some stuff in class, so just watch and learn. Shit's awesome. Just watch the shit.
Wait, I want to see that. I want to get that. Hey, alright. Before you guys head out today, got a dramatic demonstration for you. I want to see.
So you just wasted a good coat, yo.
On your way out, make sure these chairs get back around the outside of the tables for me, please. But, mento dispenser. You got one mento in there. Plug, I'm going to pull.
See that fat nigga over there?
Open the cap. Put this on. Set it here. And hope we won't hit the ceiling again.
See a little spot? That's what a coke hit the last time.
Stand out of the danger zone here. Alright.
Don't move, y'all. Watch out.
Alright. Stand back.
Everybody got their picture.
Everybody got their phone number. Give me a countdown.
3, 4, 3, 2, 1.
First of all, you messed up that perfectly good towel. What you do with that B7? Well, that's what we be doing up in physics. Deuces.
Pride, man, pride.
Shut the fuck up, fucking bitch.